Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find information on baggage tracing in the Aer Lingus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the information button. And at the info section, click on the travel information button. And then click on the baggage button. And then click on the baggage tracing button. So here you will find all the steps that you need to take if you have delayed or missing baggage. So if you scroll down, you will see step by step what you need to do, how you can report it, how can you check your baggage status, and what to do if your baggage is damaged, how to contact them. So basically all the information needed on this topic. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.